let's discuss one of the most difficult questions to answer in real estate. Should you sell first or should you buy first? I get asked this question a lot, and the answer is basically it depends. If you sell first, you have the advantage that you have clarity on budget, and you also have a very strong offer when you put in an offer on a property, because you don't have a subject to sale clause. The biggest disadvantage is that you might need a bit of a buffer period, or you might actually end up needing temporary housing for a little bit. Buying first gives you the advantage that you have your dream home. The biggest disadvantage is that you can be placed under a lot of pressure by the seller to sell your house, the subject to, or you can get into a situation where you sit with two bonds. The good news is that there are options. So really we need to discuss what is going to work for you in your situation. So if you're stuck, don't worry, reach out to me. Let's work on a strategy that will work for you. Thanks.